Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to use Crucifix in Roblox Blair. So here, I got us two Crucifix. I brought one for my girlfriend right here because we're gonna use the Crucifix. And here, I'm gonna teach you how to use it. So right now, we're just gonna bring the Crucifix right here. I'm gonna bring one Crucifix right here. So I'm just gonna leave it right there. Then we're gonna bring ourselves some um, EMF reader and our trusty UV light. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go right here. So here I'm gonna give you a quick introduction on how to use the. Oh my gosh, it's already dark. Whew. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a quick use for the crucifix. So the crucifix. So when there's a ghost or hostile nearby, the crucifix are what do you call this? It stuns or it repels the entity. So yeah, so it can stun and repel the entity. Let's see. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So the lights won't work. That means the lights are closed. Oh no. So it's gonna go out. So yeah. So this just what do you call this? This just stun and repels the entity. So which gives you time to run away. Yeah. So that's the main point. After you stun or repel the entity, you have time to run away. So I'm gonna get myself a flashlight because it's so dark. Right there. I'm gonna put that down. Get ourselves some flashlight right here. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, it's bugging a bit. That's why we have our. Okay, so right here. Oh, it's very dark. So yeah, that's how it works. Let's say there's a ghost nearby. Just put it right down. Boop. There you go. And it's supposed to work when there's a ghost hunting you. So the ghost, when it comes right here, it um the ghost will be stunned and it will repel the ghost depending on the ghost. But yeah, so an important thing for you guys to know that when using this crucifix right here, um, it's a one-time use. So after it activates, it usually disappears. So yeah, so timing is matter. So too early or too far, it has no effect. Not all entities are effective. Some ghosts can just ignore it, but most of them usually this works, especially on demons. If you think your enemy is a demon, 100% use this. Okay. If you think it's a demon, 100% use this. So 100% win, and it will stun it. Oh my gosh, this place is scary. So now we're just gonna. So now we're just gonna go back. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.